Hello again everyone, today we are going to take a look at the KC ZSN Pro X. Let's check them out. So before we get started with the review of the KC ZSN Pro X, as always guys, if you like my content, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Also, if you have any kind of question, comment, feedback, whatever, leave a comment down below. I answer them all and also give you hearts. And also if you want to get kind of sneak peeks of my next videos and all of that, please follow me on Instagram. I post pictures there and all of that. So yeah, now let's get started. So I feel like this is going to be kind of a quick review because this is a very familiar sound if you have listened to the normal ZSN Pros. So let's get started with the most important thing, which is audio quality. Starting with the bass. So the bass is very familiar again to the normal ZSN Pros. It is a very tight and aggressive kind of bass. There is not a lot of rumbleness nor deep, so it feels natural in tonality, but it lacks depth, so it feels kind of one-dimensional, nothing exciting. As for the mids are actually surprising on this. There is a nice amount of detail and nice amount of body, but there is a weird kind of thinness going on in the lower mids, so male vocals tend to feel a little bit thin. I don't want to say that the mids are midi, but there is again a nice amount of detail, nice amount of body. They are well extended. The vocal positioning is relatively nice. Again, I feel like male vocals are a little bit on the thin side of things, but not that much. Female vocals feel very nice, very natural, let's say, but sometimes they feel a little bit shouty. So now for the highs, and well, the highs are kind of a mixed bag of emotions for me, because on one side they are very nice in the sense that they have a nice amount of detail and they don't feel that thin, but on the other hand they retain the same abrasive nature of the ZSN Pros. If you have listened to the ZSN Pros, you would know that the highs are very in your face, very aggressive. There is like a lot of detail coming at your face, and it is the same here. Not as bad, but yeah, I feel like the highs on the Pro X are even more extended, and well, because of that they retain that abrasive nature. They feel a little bit thin at times and metallic, so the highs don't have the best tonality that I've heard, but again, it's kind of impressive because there is not a lot of thinness. But overall, the highs are still not my favorite. Yeah, some people might like them, but personally for me, I would like them to be a little bit toned down. And the transition between the mids and the highs is not the smoothest. It feels kind of unnatural on the upper mids kind of parts. Again, the female vocals feel nice, but they feel kind of shouty sometimes. So overall, it is a nice bright signature, but sometimes overly bright. So quickly compared to the normal ZSN Pros, it is a step up. The overall sound signature feels fuller, the mids are more resolved, the bass is a little bit more present, but the highs are kind of the same, in the sense that they still feel kind of overly aggressive and overly presented. And now let's talk about build quality. So build quality wise, these are actually super nice. I really like this golden faceplate, and they still have that golden nozzle. It is a really nice build quality. Although this is plastic, it has a nice weight to it. There was a little bit of, I don't know if it was a protective coat or something like that. I will put a photo over here, but the paint seemed like it was peeling off. But after some cleaning, you can see that is very nice and shiny. I'm not using the stock ear tips because those are the normal Starline KC ear tips. Nothing too crazy. They are soft, but not my favorite. And as you can see here, they are still using the QTC connector. Very nice. The ear hooks are kind of stiffer than I'm used to. They are uncomfortable, but it's something that I noticed from time to time. The braiding is actually very nice. It feels much nicer than the normal KC cable, you know, the brown one. And you have here your mic, and this is the mic quality.
This is the mic quality on the KC ZSN Pro X.
Let me know what you think. Here you have your fork, splitter, whatever you want to call it. Again, very nice braiding, and it ends up in an L plug, which some people like. I really don't mind. How good are these for gaming? These aren't my favorite for gaming because, again, that overly bright sound signature. So gunshots and explosions feel kind of unnatural. They feel very in your face, very aggressive, and they hurt my ears. Comfort wise, they are super nice. They are super comfortable. The same comfort as the ZSN Pros, but again, super comfortable. I could use this for hours and hours and my ears don't feel fatigued or anything like that. So, would I recommend? Yeah, if you like the ZSN Pros, well, the normal ZSN Pros, these are a step up from that, in the sense that the sound again feels fuller. It is more refined. But if you didn't like that brightness on the ZSN Pros, these aren't going to change your mind. Again, they are bright. They feel at times very aggressive, but then again, if you like the normal ZSN Pros, these are like direct upgrade from those. For gaming, I wouldn't really recommend them, and the cable is super nice, so you don't have to spend on another cable. So that would be pretty much it, guys. I will have, as always, links in the description if you are interested in buying this. And well, if you enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and all of that, and I will see you in my next review. Take care.